These are the things you should stop doing to your relaxed hair immediately because it's killing your hair and preventing you from having healthy, relaxed hair. Let's dive into it. Now, the first thing you should stop doing to your relaxed hair is applying relaxers on wet or clean hair. I don't know if you know this, but relaxers are made up of strong, active alkali agents that chemically straighten your natural curls, and it is clearly stated on the instruction manual that comes with these relaxers that you should shampoo your hair a specific amount of time before applying relaxers on them, which in other words is a clean scalp is already stripped up of all the oil, sebum and dirt that has accumulated on your scalp that acts as a protective barrier to these active agents from directly processing on your scalp, which can cause irritations and burns on your scalp. And wet hair will cause burns when relaxers are applied to it, so it's best to relax your hair when it is dirty and dry. I personally allow my hair to stay dirty for at least a month before applying relaxers on them. But if you are due for a relaxer application but your hair is too clean and you really need to relax your hair at that moment, you can check out this hack I posted in my shorts to avoid burns. The second thing you should stop doing immediately is scratching or picking at your scalp before relaxing your hair. Whether it is with comb or your fingers, stop scratching your scalp because it can cause the skin of your scalp to break. And when this is done before applying relaxers, that broken or scratched skin will become more irritated, making it likely to burn. Let your hair rest. So even if you just took down your cornrows, try to detangle your hair and leave it in that detangle state, preferably in big twists, for at least a day or two before applying relaxers to your hair. Moving on to the next thing that you should stop doing to your relaxed hair is reapplying relaxers less than 8 weeks. This is one of the things I see a lot and it is very bad for your hair. Some even go as relaxing their hair every single time they want to make a new hairstyle. You need to stop this because too frequent application of relaxers may lead to weakness of the hair, breakage, and stunted growth in some cases. Pick a relaxer routine at least 3 months and stick to it if you want to have healthy, relaxed hair. The next thing you should stop doing is mixing and using different brands of relaxers at once. If you are one of these people who jump from one brand of relaxer to the next for each relaxer application, or you mix together leftover relaxers from different brands just so it doesn't waste, you are doing your hair a great harm. These relaxers are formulated with different ingredients and at different concentrations. You not having this knowledge of the ingredients or the chemistry behind them, going ahead to mix these relaxers together can start a reaction that is not always beneficial for your hair. There is a reason why different relaxers give different outputs. Moreover, please stop changing relaxers too frequently. Once you find a relaxer brand that is suitable and works for your hair, stick to it so that your hair can acclimatize to it to avoid damaging your hair. The next thing you should stop doing right now is making your hair immediately after relaxing it. I know I'm shaking some tables here because majority of you are guilty of this one. You just finish relaxing your hair and immediately you are installing a weave or braiding your hair. This is wrong on so many levels. Your scalp just went through a chemical process and you adding more stress to it or more tension will break your hair, especially at the scalp if your hair burns during the process. This is also why you experience excessive pains when making your hair after relaxing it. Allow your hair to recover and heal at least 5 to 7 days before relaxing your hair. Now moving on, the next thing you should stop doing to your relaxed hair because it is damaging your hair is using hot tools on your relaxed hair. The primary reason of relaxing your hair is to straighten your natural curls. So excessive use of hot tools like your stretcher or your curling iron to straighten or curl your hair, especially if you are not even using a heat protectant while using these hot tools, needs to be stopped. Hot tools in general shouldn't be used often on any hair type. To achieve other styles with your relaxed hair, opt for more heatless methods of styling such as using your rollers and flexi rods and so on to curl your hair. This provides a more healthy way to achieve these styles without heat manipulation. And if you must use hot tools, make sure to use a heat protectant. The next thing you should stop doing to your relaxed hair is undergoing a chemical treatment before relaxing your hair, such as dyeing, bleaching, or dandruff treatment. Dyeing and bleaching is another chemical treatment that changes the structure of your hair, and dandruff treatments are mostly composed of antiseptic ingredients which will make your scalp sensitive. You should wait at least 2 to 3 weeks before and after relaxing your hair before undergoing a chemical treatment to prevent damaging your hair and irritating your scalp. And when you want to dye, opt for semi-permanent dye such as your adult dye, which is more gentle on the scalp. Now let's talk about this one. Stop leaving relaxers in your hair for too long. This is very wrong. Let me increase the volume on this one. Trying to achieve bone straight hair by purposely leaving in your relaxers more than the recommended time advised by the brand only leads to overprocessed hair, and overprocessed hair is damaged hair. I said what I said, because even when it is hurting your scalp, you still go ahead to enjoy these pains and burns because beauty is pain. Once the recommended time has passed and you see that your hair has relaxed, even if it's not hurting you, please wash it out to avoid damaging your hair and hurting your scalp. Now at this point in the video, I've talked about all the things you should stop doing to achieve healthy relaxed hair. But what I want you to watch next is this video right here, where I show you the exact things you should start doing right now to maintain healthy relaxed hair. And so thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.